Hi, welcome to What's New in SolidCAM 2023. In this video, we will see the improvements we have done in remove corner pegs under the Turbo HSR toolpath. I already have a toolpath out here, and let's simulate this particular toolpath to understand what a corner peg is. When the step over basically is beyond a certain threshold, small triangular shaped materials are left out in the machining. These are called corner pegs. So let's look at them pretty quickly. So you can look at that material that is being left out whenever the step over is beyond a certain threshold. So this material can be dangerous for us, as this material can build up, and then finally if there's a draft, this material can get removed in one pass, which can damage the cutter. To overcome this, we have got a function inside Turbo HSR which is called as remove corner pegs. This is available under the passes function and in smoothing tab. So we have this option called as remove corner pegs. In the earlier versions, remove corner pegs simply would create a straight line of toolpath, and that would remove that shape of material that was getting formed. But in 2023, this option has been greatly improved, and it creates a very smooth transition kind of a toolpath to remove the pegs that are getting formed. So let's calculate this operation, and let's simulate this now, and let's reduce the speed. You can see what is happening here. These smooth motions are basically generated to remove those corner pegs that are getting formed. These are the extensions of the toolpath, and you can see as I play the toolpath completely, there are absolutely no corner pegs. If I look into my toolpath itself, you can see that these are the areas where the toolpath has been extended to remove the corner pegs, and this extension has been done very smoothly to avoid any jerky machines on the machine, any jerky motions on the machine. Thank you.